real estate, that too from Gurgaon city, your own premium Gurugram. So everybody is looking for luxury or ultra luxury residential projects here. So till date we have seen many projects from premium developers, and few projects are there in Gurgaon which are renowned for its address, like Trump Tower, the Camellias, Aralias, Magnolias, and on similar path there is one more ultra luxurious branded project which is going to come up very soon. So when we talk about brand, one brand is from the developer side, and if I say there is not only one brand, there are two brands. So one is the developer name, and second, that is from the property management company, and that too from a 5-star luxury. So yes, we are talking about the upcoming Westin Residences by Whiteland Corporation in partnership with Marriott International in Sector 103 of your own premium Gurugram. My name is Vandana Saroj, and I am presenting a RERA approved channel partner firm covering the complete luxurious real estate market for you. It's Premium Gurugram. So today we are going to talk about Whiteland's upcoming project. ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये आ रहा है सेक्टर 103 गुड़गांव द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, एंड इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द लोकेशन, ये द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे फेसिंग मेन लैंड पैच आ जाता है. सो अगर मैं इंटरनल रोड की बात करूँ देन इट इज़ जस्ट अप्रॉक्स 20 मीटर्स इनसाइड फ्रॉम द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स लुक एट द एक्चुअल लैंड पैच जहाँ पर ये वाइटलैंड एंड मैरियट इंटरनेशनल के 5-स्टार रेजिडेंसीज आने वाले हैं. ये है मेन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, और अब हम टर्न कर रहे हैं टूवर्ड्स डीपीएस स्कूल, और डीपीएस स्कूल से ही लगती हुई लैंड है वाइटलैंड के अपकमिंग सुपर लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट की. सो मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं दैट इज द मेन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे. जस्ट मेन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे के ऊपर ही ये हमारा प्रोजेक्ट आने वाला है, एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम वाइटलैंड. ये है गुड़गांव का सेक्टर 103, और आप मेरे जो राइट में देख रहे हैं दिस इज द डीपीएस स्कूल, जो कि अभी ऑपरेशनल है ऑन मेन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे. मेरे लेफ्ट साइड अगर आप जाएंगे तो आप पहुंच जाएंगे दिल्ली गुड़गांव बॉर्डर, जो कि यहाँ से है अप्रॉक्स 10 से 11 किलोमीटर दूर, और जो टोटल ड्राइविंग टाइम लगेगा वो होगा अप्रॉक्स 10 मिनट्स का. And on my right side, through this main Dwarka Expressway, you will be reaching to Hero Honda Chowk, and next is New Gurgaon, CPR and SPR through CPR. Then SPR is directly connected with Golf Course Extension Road and Golf Course Road. This was the complete brief about Sector 103 Gurgaon. Now, while covering this project, I must say this Whiteland upcoming 103 super luxury project is on a premium location of Dwarka Expressway. Now you all will agree this is really a premium location. द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे फेसिंग लोकेशन. ये जो आपने लोकेशन वीडियो देखी है ये हमने काफ़ी टाइम पहले शूट की थी. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस अपकमिंग 5-स्टार रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट फ्रॉम द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे. फर्स्ट, वाइटलैंड कॉरपोरेशन. अगर मैं वाइटलैंड की एज अ डेवलपर बात करूं और इनके एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करूं तो सेक्टर 76 में वाइटलैंड ब्लिसविल, जो कि ऑलरेडी सोल्ड आउट प्रोजेक्ट है लग्जरी बिल्डर फ्लोर्स के साथ, एंड सेकेंड प्रोजेक्ट है इनका वाइटलैंड द एस्पन एंड आइकॉनिक. सो ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है द एस्पन एंड आइकॉनिक, इट इज़ actually it stands out in terms of luxury, and I have covered Whiteland, the Aspen and Iconic in detail with their show apartment. Yes, if you are interested for sector 76 then you can certainly go for Whiteland, the Aspen. So this existing project of Whiteland Corporation is really going to provide amazing landscaping and beautiful water bodies. So if you want to have a look of Whiteland, the Aspen and Iconic, then this is the video which you can look at. Apart from Whiteland, Blissville luxury low-rise builder floors with their clubhouse and security, and Whiteland, Aspen and Iconic in same location sector 76. Whiteland also has one SEO project on main SPR road, named as Whiteland Urban Cubes in Sector 71 ऑन मेन SPR कमर्शियल रोड। और अब अगर सिर्फ रेजिडेंशियल सेगमेंट को देखा जाए तो वाइट लैंड का ब्लिसविल एंड एस्पन के बाद ये थर्ड रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट है। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट वाइट लैंड कॉर्पोरेशन। नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट मैरियट इंटरनेशनल, दिस इज अ रिनाउंड ब्रांड, so everybody is aware of about its management, quality and the expectation which you can have from Marriott International. Marriott International is the sub brand of the Residences at Edition. Under this company, the Residences at Edition, there are sub brands. So one of the brand is Marriott International, and it is known for hotel industry management. And apart from this, there are so many residences across the globe which are getting managed by Marriott. And if you want to know more, then there is one website, marriotresidences.com, and you can go through all the properties details at their website, marriotresidences.com, which are getting managed by these brands under their main brand name, the Residences at Edition. So Marriott Residences is the one sub brand. So these upcoming residential apartments by Whiteland Corporation in partnership with Marriott International is going to meet the same 5-star luxury standard, because this property is going to get managed by Marriott International itself. Expected look of this project is this: the ultra luxurious clubhouse, the beautiful look in front of the tower. If I talk about the details of this project, then the project size, the land patch here is approx 21 acres. The sizes here starts from 3 BHK, approx 2673 square feet. The next size is approx 2939 square feet, and in 4 BHK there is a size of approx 3700 square feet and approx 4300 square feet. If I talk about the total towers, then they are expected to be total 13 towers, and right now they have already opened their 9 towers for sale. Show apartment, the sample apartment is already ready here, and they have already developed their experience center. So if you want to come for the site visit, look at the land patch, look at the model, show apartment, then you can connect with us for same. And if you are an NRI, then we are here to give you complete experience on a video call as per your convenience. Here 13 towers are expected with a tower height of approx 40 and 43, so it may vary little here and there. And if I talk about the starting price, then it starts from approx 6.4 CR. The another look, the concierge services. Now if you are interested in these branded residences, the Westin Residences by Whiteland Corporation in partnership with Marriott International in Sector 103 Dwarka Expressway facing land patch, then you can connect with us, and let's meet in next video with a new project. Bye bye.